Welcome to session 2, BizRise.io, social media marketing videos using BizRise.io to promote BizRise.io because it's the launch of BizRise.io. Alright, social media script 9. If you're not sure what we're doing, make sure you check out the previous live stream video. We're making social media scripts based on my products and services, giving a product demonstration of BizRise.io, right? What's the best way to do a product demo is to do that shit live. In order to make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. This is out scripts for me. I'm recording them live on Twitch and YouTube. And what I'm using is StreamLabs, Desktop Ultra, Live Studio, or Talk Studio for the teleprompter. So I generate the script here in BizRise.io. Because I am live streaming, I use the teleprompter. We just rip out the scripts. This is 9. Don't preview them other than just seeing them right here. Record them and go. I feel like I'm kicking some serious ass right now on 9. So buckle the fuck up. Alright, you're not going to see any better live marketing fucking anywhere. I don't even care. Bring the noise. Prove it. Prove that shit. And I know I'm not a good looking blonde, but I'll teach you how to use fucking technology, alright? So enough bullshit, and here we go. Tired of wasting time on manual tasks and struggling to make sense of your data? Introducing BizRise.io, the ultimate business optimization suite for ambitious entrepreneurs and online businesses. With BizRise.io, you can automate tasks to free up your time, gain real-time insights to make informed decisions, improve collaboration, optimize marketing and sales for increased revenue, and manage customer relationships effectively. Don't settle for wasted time and missed opportunities. Supercharge your business with BizRise.io today. Oh, I'm getting fucking good at reading. Now, I skipped some of it, but it just felt fucking good. We're not thinking about live streaming. We are just live streaming. That's what we decided, right? Anton, like Anton and I talked about today, there's no reason to waste fucking time. And if I have an AI-powered web app that writes my marketing scripts and I've developed it to grow, scale, and monetize my digital businesses, I should fucking use it. And I'm telling you, that fucking recording right there, I mean, you cannot fuck with those skills. I mean, yes, you definitely can. And there's so many people that are better at recording live stream scripts than me with teleprompters. I mean, there's better actors, but let's be honest here. Authenticity, originality, creativity, future forward ideas. You're getting the entire fucking package tonight. You're getting it all. Am I recording? Fuck yeah, I am. We gotta go marketing script 10, baby. So this is BizRise.io, the web app that I'm promoting. BizRise.io Pro. This is the version now available online at BizRise.io. You guys tired of me saying that yet? My fucking future forward web app, baby. And get this rope hat all stretched out from my fancy headphones. But man, I tell you what, fancy headphones. You need to hear what you actually sound like. Make those adjustments. Alright. This one is gonna be tricky. Gemini's not making it easy on me tonight, baby. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna put it in the teleprompter and we are going to roll 10. Here we go. Anton! Live Supercharged, the AI factory. Don't talk about it, be about it, baby. Fucking dog hair shit. Alright, 10 coming at you. I gotta get this fucking dog hair. Alright, here we go. Breathe, stretch, shake, let it go. Attention online entrepreneurs and ambitious businesses. Are you tired of wasting countless hours on manual tasks and struggling to make informed decisions? Discover BizRise.io, the all-in-one solution to your business challenges. With BizRise.io, you can automate repetitive tasks, gain real-time data insights, streamline communication, and optimize your digital presence. Join our exclusive community for free educational resources, live Q&A sessions, and expert support. Visit BizRise.io today and unlock the power to optimize your business, increase productivity, and achieve success. Yes, that was like a 8. That was like an 8. Let's not overshoot what that was. That was about an 8. You know, one thing is real about this technology. All right, so this is a web app I developed. You're not going to see anything behind smoke and mirrors. Automate your process by recording social media videos live. I'll teach you that in the AI Factory, right? Showing you how to get a shitload of social media videos live. And I don't want to hear any excuses either, because I made a web app for you to record all your marketing videos quickly. BizRise.io, I'm showing you how to use it. There's no excuse now. I mean, if we're being honest with ourselves, I have developed a web app for you so you can record all of your social media marketing videos quickly. I don't want to hear an excuse. You don't have time to record social media videos. I don't want to hear that, because I'm on like 11 right now. And these are all live developed scripts. And I'm recording them live using Twitch, because I'm going to get the social media marketing videos. I'm going to get the transcription. I'm going to get the long form videos from the entire live, but I'm going to edit with StreamLabs podcast editor to post to YouTube, to post to my blog, to use for SEO purposes, to drive traffic to BizRise.io and the factory. I have Vertex AI agents in here, the AI assistants if people have questions. I'm telling you, people, this is the fucking future of products. You need to know how to optimize the process. That is what I'm teaching in the How to Build a Web App course, starting on Friday. And this, we got a wild hair up my ass tonight, Mr. Anton. Had a good conversation with Anton today. He is the founder of Life Supercharged, and it was like, you know what? I have an AI powered web app to generate the scripts to grow, scale, and monetize digital businesses. I mean, I built the fucking thing. Why am I not using it to record my social media videos? Now, granted, this thing got ready like yesterday, but I've been waiting for the moment to use this fucking thing. And talking with Anton, it's like, well, it's at a point it fucking works. Let's just fucking send it. I mean, why would you not, right? Like, just fucking send it. That is a long script. We're going to see how we do. I think we're on what? 11, 12? Anybody know which one we're on? Okay. Thanks for the walkthrough. Oh. Alright, so we're on 11. This is how quick we can knock out some fucking social. Alright, so we got the script. Work. Get 11. Let's get 11 and 12 done. So we'll have 12 social media posts. So what will that be? 4 days of posting? About an hour? Because we don't fucking edit shit. We just rock and roll. Ain't no time for editing around here. Jordan, that's for you as well, dude. Jordan's been holding down the AI Factory and the live streams on YouTube and Twitch. Jordan is my dude. And he's running a 30-day vlog challenge. Post 11, here we go. Are you ready to unleash your business potential? BizRise.io is here to revolutionize your operations. Say goodbye to wasted time and manual tasks. We automate it all, giving you back precious hours. But that's not all. Our data-driven analytics provide real-time insights, empowering you to make informed decisions. Our centralized platform streamlines communications, connecting your team and customers together. BizRise.io, streamline your business, maximize your results. Script 11 in the books. We're not thinking, we're just rolling. Damn, you can hear the voice getting a little like, I need a vocal coach to give me voice lessons. And be having the voice quit after just an hour or two of streaming. That's not a sustainable business practice, motherfucker. But I got one more script to do, and I'll have 4 days of 3 posts per day recorded from live streaming. I'm going to use these scripts that I'm saving in BizRise.io to train a Vertex AI agent on scripts to write them a little bit easier next time. If I don't want to use the drag and drop, I can use a Vertex AI agent. The important thing to know is you have options. 2 different systems to generate personalized, brand-specific marketing scripts for your business to grow, scale, and monetize using the internet. And I'm going to teach you, if anybody's interested, on how to build a web app like this in a course starting on Friday. Half price right now. You'll also be in my trusted tester program. But we need one more script, so let's drop it in there. Dun, 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 dun. We're going to schedule these and we're just going to post the fucking shit out of them. We'll see how it works. We'll get total time, we'll get total overview, but we're just rocking and rolling on making social. All right, here we go. We got it here. We got to edit it. That looks like a long one on 12. That looks like the longest one we've done yet. Why would it not be on the last one that we do right now? Why wouldn't we end on a good one and just give ourselves a fucking challenge? Here we go. It's on my web app to make it easier on myself. You fucking built me, bitch. Alright, here we go. Wish me luck, script 12. Are you tired of endless manual tasks and a lack of data insights that will stifle your business? Introducing BizRise.io, the all-in-one solution for aspiring entrepreneurs and freelancers. With BizRise.io, you can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for innovation, unlock powerful data analytics to make informed decisions, streamline communication and collaboration for seamless teamwork. But that's not all. Our exclusive enhancements include one-on-one consultation with me, a free educational community, the AI Factory, and live stream teaching and customer support on YouTube. Our target market is clear. Ambitious entrepreneurs and online businesses ready to streamline operations, optimize processes, and gain data-driven insights. So why wait? Join the BizRise.io revolution today and unlock the power of AI, data, and collaboration. Let's optimize your business together. I feel like we ended on a good one. That was like a 7-9. That was a 7. We ended on a 7-9 tonight. We gotta think about what we did there to get into the 8s tomorrow. But that was a pretty long script. Only had one little fuck up. But hey, that fuck up is in there. It counts. You can't. This isn't like the Olympics. No, this is the Olympics. Like, you get one shot. Simone Biles wouldn't fuck that up. Boom. So let's see. In about, I don't know, a little bit over an hour, we've ripped out 12 brand specific, product specific, social media scripts by live streaming on Twitch. I have these scripts. I have the title. I have the description for each. I have the keywords and hashtags. I have a tweet for each, or an X post, so I can schedule that. I have a blog post that I can put these videos in to schedule from my website for SEO purposes. I have all of that in about an hour and a half by using BizRise.io and live streaming StreamLabs, Desktop Ultra, Twitch, and YouTube. So what I wanted to show people tonight, and I think it's going to be pretty good proof of what you can do with using BizRise.io as a web app, what you can do with AI to optimize a process, and then really what I'm going to be teaching you in the How to Build a Web App course. Because in order to make AI effective, you need to optimize a process. That's just what it is. So optimizing your process, just like you would creating a school community, educational platform, your skills, hobbies, and interests, build it into a web app. So then it optimizes that process too. Or if you just want to join BizRise.io Pro and use it to grow, scale, and monetize your school community, that's part of it too, right? Because that was one of my goals. I want to grow, scale, and monetize my school community. So I can use BizRise.io to create those scripts and those posts off the AI Community Assist that I did for my school community. And this is free to do on the homepage of BizRise.io. So if you want to try out how to optimize a process with AI, you can start your own school community, an AI-powered community assist plan on BizRise. I'm pretty sure my screen froze behind me on the stream. That's okay, because I got 12 fucking social media out of it. So what did we learn is you don't log out of a web app. That was a fucking great live stream. Oh, I guess you can see it. That was incredible. Just absolutely rock and rolled on that live stream. That was fun. So if you guys see this or you see any of those marketing videos, 3 things. 1, 1. Join BizRise.io Pro. Use my web app. 2. Join my free educational community, the AI Factory. 3. Enroll in my How to Build a No-Code AI-Powered Web App course on Flutterflow. Starts on Friday. I'm going to teach you how to build some future-forward tech and create a sustainable business monetizing AI. BizRise.io Pro, the AI Factory, how to build a web app with Flutterflow. All 3 change your life. Let's go. Flip that shit. All right, that's it for this live stream. If you guys saw that and if you enjoyed it, I think like 2 people saw it, but thank you for hanging out, and we'll see how we can grow, scale, and monetize this more later. Love you all. Anton, inspiring message today. Figured I'd rip out some social media marketing. You inspired me, brother. 12 days. Let's fucking go. Join the AI Factory. Live Supercharged. IO Pro. The AI Factory. How to build a web app course. Join them all. We're creating digital businesses. Join us. Don't get left in the dust. If you're scared, go to church.